This video will show you how to use the budget transfer interface that is available with UniPhi 20 and above. This page is not displayed by default. To make it available, an administrator can go to Configuration, Chart of Accounts, then Settings, and turn on this setting. Once this is done, you can go to the Costs module and select your project. When you have an approved budget, the Budget Transfers subnav will appear. With this setting turned on, you can no longer edit the current budget from the Budget subnav. All changes are managed on the Transfers page. To edit the budget, start by entering the description of the change. To transfer funds from one code to another, select the code you will be taking money out of in the From column. Then select the code that the money will be going into in the To column. Enter the amount that will be transferred and a comment if required. To decrease the budget without transferring funds to another code, just select the code in the From column and enter the amount. Press Save when you are done. This will update your current working budget, not the approved budget. To increase the budget, select the appropriate code in the To column without selecting anything in the From column. Then enter the amount and press Save. If your system does not require a document to approve the budget, you can select Approved as the status and press Save. If your system does require a Budget Change Request document to approve the budget, you can go to the Documents module and create your document as normal. With the Budget Transfers subnav, we have added a Budget Transfers template input so you can have a register of the transfers, including comments in your document. From the Budget step, you can create your snapshot from within the document. You can also compare the new budget to the currently approved budget. Once the document is finished, it can be viewed in the Documents module. Once approved, you will see the transfers in the cost dashboard. Thanks for watching this UniPhi tutorial.